All right, guys, I thought I'd do a quick walk around on all these cool little RawMaxx UTXs we have in stock right now. We've got 14 and 16 footers, all the 14s, single axle, of course the great ramp gate on the back. Guys, these are pretty much a car hauler frame on a UTV style trailer. 16s with the dual axles. Swing around here and show you. We've got quite a few of these available right now. Running a spring special on these. Different colors, of course. We've got a couple of them with some toolboxes if you want toolboxes. Of course, all the great colors. We got lava gray, light grays, matte blacks, different trim colors. This has probably been one of our most popular. Of course, that's a 14-footer with a toolbox. Matte black with the blue trim. Lava gray over here. You can see we've got some good selection to haul your side-by-sides, your lawnmowers, small utility tractors. Stop in today and get one. Thanks, guys. Bye.